Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing the best budget keyboards 2023. So these ones are great picks and they're mainly under 30 bucks, so they're really affordable and they're really good if you just want to start modding your keyboards. Okay, let's get into the first one. So here is the RK61. It's around 70, but I'm sure you can get it cheaper on sales. It's really affordable. It's a mechanical. It's got USB-C, and it also has Bluetooth and a 2.4 gig dongle thing over here. Here are the things. None of these videos are sponsored, but these are what they look like. Honestly, I think it's really nice and looks super clean. I would recommend this to anyone who wants a nice budget keyboard. Okay, let's move on to the next mechanical keyboard. Over here we have the Harvard mechanical keyboard. It looks really nice actually. I like the sort of font they have on the keyboard. It looks super cool. As you can see, a bit like here, but it has more of that orange incorporated with it, which is pretty cool. Has more of that orange look to it. It's not 60% because it has the arrows, but it looks pretty nice. It's compact. It's just really cool. Yeah, as you can see here, it's that 2-in-1 design, which it shows really nicely. This is it. It comes with a spare keycap set, USB wired, Bluetooth 3.0 and 5.0, which is the latest version of Bluetooth. Honestly looks really nice, and I would actually recommend this myself as your first keyboard to mod, since it is hot swappable, and just honestly it's pretty nice for the price. It's 60%, so it's pretty nice and small and would fit on your desk pretty nicely. Yeah, that's pretty much what I have to say about this keyboard. Here is the slightly affordable version. It's kind of like the Harvard keyboard. This is the McGee portable 6% gaming mechanical keyboard. Looks pretty nice, and yeah, honestly it looks really clean, and this one actually may be a nice purchase I want to get for myself in the future because of how it looks. It looks really nice. It's 60%. Again, 60%, but it also does have the arrow keys surprisingly, which is, yeah, separate arrow keys, so that's really nice. USB-C, it looks like. Yep, everyone loves USB-C. Yeah, so that's like the fourth one. It also comes in many colors. So many colors here. Really nice. I actually like this grey colour here, but I was just showing you this as a little bit of a upgrade. Well, you couldn't really call it an upgrade since it is pretty like how Razer price their expensive products, but it's like if you like Razer and you're willing to pay this amount, it has their own Razer switches as well, then this would be actually nice. And depending on if you care about sounds of your keyboards, this one sounds pretty okay and has that nice click that some gamers just want, just the click. It's all about the click, you know. Some of them don't even care about the thing, and that's fine. Like you don't need to worry about modding it or anything. This is the 5th and final keyboard. I hope that was helpful to you, and I'll be linking them all down in the description so you can pick them and buy them yourself. So thank you very much, and I will see you next time. Bye.